Hi everyone, my name is Raayan Bodade and today we're going to talk about something really important, bully free zone. How to make our school a happy and safe place for everyone. This presentation is all about understanding bullying and how we can stand against it. What is bullying? Bullying is when someone keeps being mean or hurts another person on purpose. It's not just teasing once, but doing it again and again. It's repeated and it can make school really hard for the one being bullied. What is a bully? A person who plans or starts the bullying or actively participates. What is a victim or target? A person who is bullied. Types of bullying. There are four types of bullying: verbal bullying, social emotional bullying, cyberbullying, and physical bullying. Verbal bullying is name calling, threatening, nasty or hurtful comments, racial slurs, and rude remarks. Social emotional bullying is spreading rumors, leaving people out, gossiping, harming someone's reputation, or ignoring. Cyberbullying is using the internet to send nasty messages, spreading rumors, send inappropriate emails, share private information, and post inappropriate photos. Physical bullying is hitting, kicking, pushing, punching, hurting, or slapping. How does bullying feel? Feeling sad, scared, or tired even when there's no reason to. Feeling low self-esteem. Thinking we're not good enough or that something's wrong with us. Loneliness and isolation. Not wanting to play, chat, or even go to school. Trouble sleeping. Having bad dreams or lying awake at night. Our minds keep going back to those hurtful moments. Feeling angry and humiliated or ashamed of yourself. Why do some people bully? Why do kids bully? They may feel upset or feel they don't fit in. They want to make themselves popular. They may be bullied themselves. They're scared of getting picked on, so they do it first. To escape their own problems in life. What can you do? If you're being bullied, tell someone you trust. Keep a record of what's happening. Don't retaliate. Surround yourself with friends. Don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. Be proud of who you are. If someone tells you they're being bullied, listen to them. Praise them for speaking out. Calmly work with them to resolve the problem. Go and report to the school counselor. Help and support. Remember, schools have a zero tolerance policy against bullying and they can take strict action. There are many places to get help. At school, your teachers, counselors, and principal are there for you. You can also talk to your parents or other family members. There are even organizations dedicated to help kids who are bullied. Conclusion. Remember, bullying isn't cool and how we can stop it. Report to the school if you see someone being bullied. Say hi to someone looking lonely. Everyone should feel happy and safe in school. If we all look out for each other and spread kindness, we can make our school a bully-free zone. Let's promise to be kind and stand up against bullying. Thank you for listening. Together we can rise against bullying.